Hey there, creators, educators, and businesses. Are you looking to maximize your impact and reach a global audience? Well, look no further. Today, we're diving into the world of intelligent video localization at scale and accelerated audio and video production, all in one platform. Introducing our platform that caters to over 1,500,000 happy users worldwide. With our tool, you can seamlessly translate and repurpose marketing videos, lectures, podcasts, and more. Whether you're in marketing, education, media, and entertainment, or creating innovative content, our platform has got you covered. Automatically translate your video and audio into 130+ languages to expand your global reach and unlock new revenue streams. Want to turn your videos into viral shorts in seconds? With our AI-powered generation tool, you can upload your existing videos and let our AI choose the highlights to create bite-sized social media content. But wait, there's more. Communicate with your audience in your own voice in 30 languages with our VoiceClone feature. Our multi-speaker feature accurately detects the number of individuals speaking in a video, ensuring a seamless viewing experience. Ensure accessibility and improve engagement with auto-generated captions for your videos. Plus, take your localized audio and video quality to the next level with realistic accents and intonations. Ready to revolutionize your content creation and localization process? Try our platform for free today and take your audio and video production to new heights. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your content and reach a global audience.